If you have ever used WordPress and spent hours just setting up themes, plugins, hosting, and still felt like your site does not look the way you imagined, there is a better way. Webflow is changing how websites are built, not just by designers, but by marketers, founders, and entire teams who want full control without the tech headaches. In this video, I am going to break down exactly what Webflow is and why it's different from traditional platforms. You will understand how it lets you design, build, and launch professional websites visually while writing clean, professional-ready code in the background. We will talk about where it fits between tools like Wix and custom-coded sites, why it's become the go-to for agency and startups, and what makes its CMS and built-in hosting actually game-changing. When I started building websites, we used WordPress for everything, but every project ended up needing 10 plugins, a developer on a call, and constant updates. We were spending more time managing the tools than designing the experience. Then Webflow came into the picture and everything changed. Suddenly we could build fully custom designs, launch landing pages in days, not weeks, and giving the marketing team direct access without ever touching code. It gives us control without complexity and speed without sacrificing quality. Hey, I'm Ansif, Webflow expert and founder at Webflow. If you are a designer, a startup founder, or someone just trying to build high quality website fast, this video is going to give you a clean overview of what Webflow is, how it works, and why it might be exactly what your team needs. First, what is Webflow really? It's a browser-based visual website builder where you design your site on a canvas. No software to install. But unlike other builders, Webflow actually writes clean HTML, CSS, JavaScript as you build. Think of it like Figma meets WordPress, WordPress meets hosting, all inside one tool. Second, where Webflow fits in. You have two extremes in web development. One side, full code custom websites with React, PHP, or Next.js. Super powerful but slow and expensive. On the other side, drag and drop tools like Wix or Elementor in WordPress. Easy but very limited. Webflow sits perfectly in the middle. No code like Wix, but design freedom like a developer. You get speed and control without the usual trade-offs. Third, Webflow is a complete platform. With the traditional tools, you are stitching together plugins, hosting, CDN, security, forms, backups. It adds up. Webflow comes with everything built in. Hosting, CMS, SEO tools, SSL, backups, forms. You just hit publish. One price, one dashboard, no patchwork. Fourth, the CMS is a game changer. Webflow's CMS lets you build dynamic content like blogs, team members, projects, or job listings without plugins. You create collections with custom fields and visually design how each item displays. It's like having WordPress's backend, but without the mess. And anyone on your team can update it, no devs needed. Fifth, why marketing teams love it. Say your marketing team needs to launch a landing page this week, but your dev team's sprint is full. With Webflow, your designers and marketers can build and launch it themselves. It speeds up go-to-market timelines, reduces dev bottlenecks, and still delivers fully responsive SEO-optimized pages. That's why teams like Dropbox, Dell, and Discord use Webflow. It's that fast and reliable. Sixth, it's not just for beginners. Yes, Webflow is no code, but that does not mean it's basic. You can build complex animations, interactions, page transitions, and advanced CMS-driven layouts, all visually without touching code. The best part, Webflow writes production-ready code behind everything, so you are not stuck with bloated templates or spaghetti markup. 7. Building SEO and hosting. No need for SEO plugins. Webflow lets you edit meta titles, alt tags, schema, open graph tags, canonical URLs, everything. And with global CDN hosting, automatic backups, and free SSL, you get enterprise-level performance right out of the box. 8. Who is Webflow for? It's perfect for designers, marketers, startups, agencies, and small businesses. Basically, if you don't want to rely on engineers to every change but still want a custom site, Webflow is for you. So if you have been stuck between bloated drag and drop tools and expensive dev workflows, Webflow is your middle ground. Visual design freedom, no code execution, and enterprise-grade performance all in one. If this sounds like the kind of tool your business needs, hit the subscribe button for more Webflow tips, walkthroughs, and tutorials. And if you are looking to build or migrate a site in Webflow, drop me a message. I would love to help you.